So, andito tayo ngayon sa Field Residences in Parañaque to check again a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's go and check this out. So this is the unit, unfinished yung flooring niya and meron na ring mga pop-up tiles. And this is as is where is upon turnover, no warranty. The total floor area is 82.41 square meters and below market and zonal value around 7.8 million or 95,000 per square meter. Ang zonal value ngayon dito sa area na to in Parañaque City, as per BIR, if I'm not mistaken, is around 160,000 per square meter. Pero syempre sa market value or from developers, mas mataas pa dyan, nasa 200,000 per square meter na ang bentahan ngayon. So napakalaki ng price difference kahit may konting repairs ang unit. Malaki rin naman ang savings na makukuha natin to compensate the repairs. So this is 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with balcony facing city view. At meron din siyang maid's room or small office room with own toilet. Submission of offers first come first served basis. So if you're interested to make an offer and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. This is not pet friendly. Monthly dues is around 80 pesos per square meter and we have complete resort type amenities. Malapit din tayo sa SM City Sukat and BGC or Makati via C5 at sa bagong bukas na LRT1 Cavite Extension. So again, if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly.